Mr. Chairman, we went through an international bid and people participated and they participated in the bid and they won. I will continue.
It does not matter. That
it is in the interest of the country.
To us as a parliament.
And I am. Yes, that's why I'm here.
That you are coming together. Coming together with what? What are we coming with?
I don't understand the question.
What are we coming with? Nigeria. Minister, let me explain to you. It's very simple. You are selling our rights.
I am not.
No, please. Let me explain to you, member. You see, what we expect from you, and you have the contact, you have the everything to establish. Because what you told us about national carrier when we discussed it when you came here, you said that the essence of this national carrier is the possibility of making Nigeria an aviation hub in Africa.
Yes.
Good.
Yes.
Good. Aviation hub in Africa. Now, look at Ethiopian Airlines is already an aviation hub for Ethiopian Airlines in Addis Ababa. I wonder how an airline that will come and manage our own country make Nigeria an aviation hub. It is very difficult. Ethiopian Airlines cannot make Nigeria an aviation hub. Ethiopian Airlines is coming to take what we have, and we are talking about repatriation of funds. This is where we will see block funds, when we experience it, because a lot of funds will be repatriated. I'm telling you, it's not that you are an aviator. Frankly speaking, you are an aviator. We expect something better from you. We don't have problem with setting up a national carrier. You know we don't have problem with that. But we are just thinking that the best way we are going is very difficult. So please, what do you want to add?
Thank you, sir. So, Mr. Chairman, let me answer that one. Mr. Chairman, whether you have...
It is Lufthansa, it is Air France KLM, it is Qatar, it is Emirates, it is Rwanda that are coming to take your passengers, whether you have airline or not.
That was one of the reasons you gave to us. So you said you are going to set up a national carrier.
Yes, so Mr. Chairman, sir, creation of a hub means activity that will start. So creation of a hub, Mr. Chairman, is when you don't limit your activities, when you allow everybody to come here. Imagine if UAE, Mr. Chairman, sir, if nobody goes to UAE today, what happens? The ability of the economy to draw markets, to draw people into where you are, is directly proportional to the growth of that economy and to the activity in that place, in that particular place. So for me, having a very strong airline that is able to bring people from far and near into the country is extremely important in the scheme of things. I stand to be corrected, but I think that, Mr. Chairman, it is high time that we understand the dynamics. When we started this thing, I held a meeting in my, well, maybe not the time, but Mr. Chairman, when we started this thing, there has been quite a number of discussions within the industry. Some said that I'm under the pocket of Lufthansa, because then we were vigorously discussing with Lufthansa. Another day, even in public, someone went and said it was Qatar. And eventually now we have a bidder. Some say also there is a problem with the Ethiopian. There will have to be, in the structure of government, there will have to be a partnership with one strong airline or another. And I think I think Nigeria is even lucky that we are having Ethiopian to partner with us because they are African airline. And within, yes, I am saying because this is within the spirit. I am saying it boldly. I am putting on record in this house, in this people's house, I am putting it on record that I'm bold to say, I'm proud to say that I'm partnering with an African.
Well,
in the spirit of the AU Agenda 2063 as a government.